Hi guys, so for today's design I'm going to do a marbled stamping design. I'm using this plate, this is L079, and we're stamping with black polish first of all, and I'm using this image here. Still using the same image plate, it might be a little bit hard to pick up on camera, but I'm going to use this gold, and this time we're going to stamp with the design that is next to the first one. I've just cleaned up around the cuticles, so the last thing to do is apply top coat, and once that's dried I'll apply my cuticle oil.